is a Piper J3 Anyone. Hello! Today we're going to talk all about planes. The best of 1 week endless possibilities. This is a Piper B-18 Super Cub. This is a B-29 Super Fortress. And we have the fireworks, the drones, and the theater. Pyrotechnics. And here's the biggest control tower in the world. I went there. Wow, this is a big airport. What is the main runway? Probably it's over there. It's tiny planes and everything. All these tiny black dots you see, that are planes. Oh look, there's an A-10 war. In the evening, here's a Boeing 100 KC-135 straight to tanker plane. This is a Goodyear FG-1D Corsair. That turning 100. Saying 125 3 Steelman. So that's the Thunderbirds and the break. And the Delta break over the Boeing 52 STARFORCES. The B-52 STARFORCES is the start of everything. Like they was put mine, okay? And this is an Lancaster roll. It's a plane. It's the same Boeing B-29 Super Fortress we saw last time. And this is a long ass and routine design. This is a black UF-5 plane. Thank you guys for watching this video. If on my channel, subscribe, like, share, and the notification bell so you don't miss any video. Bye bye.